जेडीएस एमएलसी एसएल भोजे गोड़ा कहते हैं सरकार का रवैया हमारे लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है। वेदांती प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर सरकार शुरू से ही यही रुख अपनाए हुए है। हालांकि एक बात आपको याद रखनी चाहिए कि सरकार ने अब साइट का दौरा करने और वहां कई दिनों से विरोध कर रहे लोगों से मिलने का फैसला किया है।
Government attitude is not a new thing for us. This in the beginning itself, government has expressed this attitude about this Bidadi Horata. And still, one thing you remember, you all know, everybody knows that still the government has made up a mind to visit this spot and go to those who are sitting for the long days, more than 520 days. It has crossed. They're sitting on strike. Still, the government has made out a mind to go to the steps of the farmers, and they didn't ask whatever these things, why are you doing this? And all the time, government is saying, the chief minister is saying that you are not going to force it. When you are not going to force it, why? What difficulty you are going to meet that farmers? Why they are sitting for all these 525 days? It is an ordinary strike, and really, whether they are farmers or not, just go and find out. Then you come to conclusion that, and another thing you have done, definitely you are going to do it. This one, why that's a confidence when they are telling, you must win the heart of the farmers first. Then only you can say that whatever these things. And the sitting MLA, now he is a minister, Balakrishna. All these days he never step into that spot. What difficulty you have? Why? Because they are your voters. They are voted for you. Because of they voted for you, you became a minister today. And why? And all the time you are telling that you are not going to force it. Don't say that word in the eye of public. You are not going to force it. And all the time you are telling more than 80% farmers are agreeing for this thing. When 80% of farmers agreeing, what difficulty you get progress for the progress?